topic and the theme of eco-friendly Diwali. As we have shown in this Rangoli that we should not use firecrackers as it harm our environment and animals too. We should light up diyas and candles to make our environment happy, and using firecrackers it harms animals as well as our environment too. So as we have written, it's time to light up our life, not the air. Assembly that we should not use crackers. It shows our nature that if we do not use firecrackers, that will harm our nature. So if we light up like diyas and candles, that will be eco-friendly more and our nature will be safe.
Okay, I suggest you one thing also. When you go for purchasing of diyas and all, for this season or for this Diwali, you should always go for this road vendors because they are working so hard. Yesterday my life was totally touched. I purchased lot and actually you use something else because they post different products.
House, Yellow House. Today on the occasion of Diwali and Rangoli competition in our school, we proudly present our Rangoli on the topic Operation Sindoor, a tribute to the bravery, sacrifice and unity of our Indian armed forces. Operation Sindoor symbolizes a decisive military action of India against terrorism, in which our country stood strong to defend its rights. This not only reflects the bravery of our soldiers, this reflects all the emotions, feelings, love for the country, the feeling of nationalism that runs in the blood of every single Indian. In our Rangoli, the tricolor in the center represents the unity, the pride of the country that our country India holds. The soldier represents the bravery, valor and readiness to fight for the protection of our country, for their motherland. And this Sindoor on the red color. Red is the color of courage, and this represents the courage and strong determination to fight against terrorism, which never fades. Through our artwork, we salute to the brave hearts who protected our country for the sake of their country. And at last, I would like to say that, like earlier in Trega, Lord Ram, when he returned from his forest exile with his wife Sita and Lakshman, provided us the opportunity to celebrate, light diyas and spread happiness. The whole Ayodhya celebrated, the whole kingdom celebrated. Likewise, in today's scenario, our brave soldiers, by successfully executing Operation Sindoor, provided us the same opportunity to celebrate, light diyas and spread happiness in our
I think the relevancy of this according to the occasion that we are celebrating. It's very beautiful way she's done it, but it's okay. But you really could also do it very nicely. Practice for her also.
And this theme represents the gain and the achievement or disasters that we faced in 2025. As you can see that there is a rocket that represents the EXIM spacecraft that was launched in June 2025. Another thing, you can see that there is the Operation Sindoor. This was a great disaster that we have experienced this year. Another thing is this lotus. This lotus represents the peace. As we know that lotus symbolizes peace, and it also grows in muddy water. So it represents the purity of cleanness. Next is this 100% literacy rate. This year Mizoram achieved 100% literacy rate. So this is a great achievement of Mizoram.
You are celebrating the Diwali.
Yes, yes ma'am.